back to Auto Salvage Outlaws. In life is like playing poker. You never show your true hand. So, in reality, this is the hand you want. To win everything. Right? So let's set that to the side. A minute. Now I'll show you my hand in life. Now, take this back. If I showed you this hand, then you would know everything about everything I do as far as building a car, right? Right. You would know every spec of everything on that car. You see, cars are like cars when you're building a drag car. You never want to show your hand. So let's set this side again. This is my hand with my Thunderbird. Now you look at that hand and you think, well, that car's not going to be too good. Hold on, I'm not done yet. Like I said, life is like your drag car. So in reality, in order to have a hand like this, you gotta be the best of the best of the best. Right? In order to have this hand, you become the underdog. Almost like good versus evil sort of thing. If you ever read comic books, it's always good against evil. But like building a drag car for competition. Let's go back over these again. Now, if I was to build a car, imagine each car of this is 100 horsepower. And the King adds 300 more horsepower. So I actually get 700 horses in the car that you're bringing to an event. Imagine being the underdog and you know this is the car that you're bringing with a king. Now you're going to say to yourself, how's the underdog going to take care of the big dog? Well, I'll show you. Bear with me. Hold on, going through the cards here. Hold on. Now you're gonna say, well, that car's not very fast for a drag car. Let me tell y'all folks something. That's the slow car that was built to drag race. Here's you get the big dogs. Of course, here you get my little car. Now, in reality, you're gonna say the big dog's gonna win the whole pot. That's not necessarily true, because by just take these away, then I can win beating the big dog and beating myself with the slow car. And I'll tell you how it's done. The slow car might be so slow getting down that track that the big dog either red lights or you don't have enough of a hump at the end of the track. Same way with what I'm holding on to. So in reality, do you really have to build the big dog cars for no-name nationals? Not at all. Because it's not what you bring to no-name nationals, it's what you get there and you meet your friends that you've been talking to over YouTube. That's the point of no-name nationals. Thought I'd share that with y'all.